Hey guys, Yesenia here with Still Buildings and Structures. In our last video, we announced that at this year's Charlotte AutoFair, we will be raffling off a brand new building to one lucky winner. Now, let's get into a few specific details about the building itself. The structure will be 24 by 50 by 10. It is a utility building with an enclosed storage space and frame mounts along the front and sides. With the size, style, and features finalized, we're happy to announce that it will be installed on site. That's right, the AutoFair has designated our building to be one of the main water stations of the venue, where you'll get to check it out in person before the raffle. But wait, here's the best part. SBS will deliver and install the building to the winning contestant at no cost. A few terms and conditions apply, and those details will be covered when you sign up for the raffle. So come visit us at the Charlotte AutoFair and throw your name in the hat for a chance to win this awesome steel structure. See you then!